A doctor too. A doctor gives medicine for you and me. Tell me, what does a postman do? A postman brings letters for you and me. Tell me, what does a teacher do? A teacher teaches you and me. Tell me, what does a tailor do? A tailor sews clothes for you and me.